So now they're going to give us a number in scientific notation, and we have to convert it to decimal form, which seems kind of weird because your decimal is in the scientific notation, right? So let's just raise it to the 5th power. So that's a number in scientific notation. It's a big number. It means we're going to move the decimal to the right 5 places. So it's going to be 7, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 more zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then that's the number in decimal form. Now, you could also have a small number, like 3.435 times 10 to the negative 6. Well, then you're going to move the decimal back to the left. So it's going to be 0. That's how you would write that number in decimal form. So I have to move it from here 6 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's how the decimal wound up there. Now when we have a number like that we're writing in decimal number, you can put a little space between sets of 3. So you see there's like a little space there. With large numbers we use a comma. We count from the right hand side and we count every 3 and we put a comma. But anyway, so this is the answer though here. Okay, so now I think we have a couple examples. 1.3 times 10 to the 3rd. So look at your exponent. If it's positive, go to the right. It's going to be a bigger number. And you add as many zeros as you need to. So you could put a comma there. So 1,300. That's what it would be. All right, now this one is a negative number because it's negative in front. That doesn't really change much, though, how we do the scientific notation. It just means our answer is negative, and we need to put a negative sign. So it's going to be negative 0.00012. So if I think about the 1 had been here, I'm going back 1, 2, 3, 4 places. I do have to put the negative sign, 0.000. You can leave a little space if you want, 1, 2. And that's what the number would be in decimal form. Now, when you're doing decimal numbers, especially for those of you going in the nursing program, make sure you put a 0 before the decimal if it doesn't have a number there already. They're really big on that. So just so that you know, don't forget to put that. Don't start it with 0.012. Don't do that. They'll mark it wrong. Okay? So just a heads up on that. There you go.